Welcome to Part 5 of Bio-Rad's Risk Calculator training. The Risk Calculator generates a risk assessment report. This series of videos explains the different elements of that report. This video covers the summary that appears at the top of the risk assessment report. Let's zoom in to get a better look. The right-hand side of the summary lists the inputs used in the calculations. This is fairly straightforward, so we won't focus on it. Let's focus on the implications. Again, let's zoom in. This area provides our analysis regarding the worst case enough. We're interested in enough because it is the expected number of final unreliable patient results. We say final because it is unlikely that a laboratory would correct these results. Therefore, this directly influences the risk to the patient. We're interested in the worst case enough because any other case is predicted to produce fewer unreliable results. This area provides our analysis regarding the worst case enough. We're interested in the worst case enough because it is the expected number of correctable, unreliable patient results. We say correctable because, with enough resources, issues with these results can be addressed by holding or amending patient results. Therefore, this represents the cost of correction. So how can the risk assessment report summary help you? You'll need to balance the degree of risk of producing and reporting unreliable patient results versus the resources that you are willing to expend to prevent final unreliable results and recover from correctable unreliable results. If there is an imbalance, you'll need to take action to alter your QC process. We hope you've found this tutorial helpful. Continue your training by viewing Part 6.